In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't add phone number on Steam account. If Steam is not letting you add your phone number, don't worry. In many cases, the issue comes down to the type of number being used, the way it's entered, or a temporary limit on verification attempts. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most important things to check so you can improve your chances of getting your number accepted. First, make sure the phone number you're trying to use is actually supported by Steam. You should use a real mobile phone number that can receive SMS text messages normally. This is important because Steam usually sends a verification code by text, and not every number type works for that. For example, VoIP numbers, virtual numbers, and some online generated phone numbers may be rejected by the system. So if you've been trying to use one of those, switch to a standard mobile number from a regular carrier and try again. Next, double check that you're entering the number correctly. Start by selecting the correct country code for your region. After that, type the phone number carefully and make sure there are no mistakes. It's also a good idea to remove any extra spaces, dashes, or special characters unless Steam automatically formats the number for you. Even small formatting issues can sometimes cause the number to fail, so taking a moment to clean it up can help avoid unnecessary errors. If everything looks correct and Steam still won't accept the number, the next thing to consider is timing. If you've tried too many times in a short period, Steam may temporarily block additional verification attempts. This kind of cooldown is fairly common on account systems and is meant to prevent spam or abuse. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a few hours, then come back and try again later. Avoid repeatedly submitting the number over and over because that can make the temporary block last longer. As a quick tip, when you try again, make sure you use the same supported mobile number, enter it in the correct format, and give the system enough time if you were previously locked out. Those three checks solve this problem for many users. So if you can't add a phone number to your Steam account, focus on using a supported mobile number, entering it properly, and waiting if you've hit too many attempts. Follow those steps carefully, and you should be in a much better position to get your number verified successfully.